I lost 12k or 12 hour in this trade. Yeah, I mean it was a potential profits though. I can't lie. So no actual profit. I ended up making around 3.6 hour instead. I only send this trade in my VIP Discord, but I do send trades on my free public Telegram as well from time to time. Yeah, I have a 70% win rate and a track record since July 2024. And I've not deleted a single message, setup, image. You'll see I even have like several spelling mistakes on there, and I just literally, to modify that, I just sent a new text with an asterisk to correct the spelling. So yeah, getting back to my trade recap, yeah, we can see that honestly this price action looks like an absolute barcode, and there's literally no reason to be taking any trades. Yeah, but I mean we are very bullish. Yeah, I don't need to say much. And if you're an experienced trader, yeah, the reason I say experienced is because if you're a beginner trader, you should only stick to like higher time frames, because high time frames usually have a higher win rate and you have a fewer trade frequency setup. Yeah, so it's just, I would say if you're less experienced, you'll have a higher chance of making way more money by sticking to the higher time frames and like taking few trades per week compared to like if you were a beginner and you were like trading the lower time frames, you will most likely get chopped up. That's because there's a lot of noise on the lower time frames, and you can very easily get what's it called, get manipulated or misled into thinking that okay, maybe the market structure has changed, or we're going in a different direction. Yeah, so if I go to the 50-minute time frame, yeah, it still looks chopped, I can't lie. Yeah, it's not looking good. Looks like a barcode. Yeah, looks like I need to scan my barcode on MyFitnessPal. But if you go to the 5 minute, yeah, it's looking a bit better, but still isn't as good. Here is when the 1 minute looks extremely good. Yeah, as soon as I switch to the 1 minute, boom, so easy to read the market. You're gonna see like, okay, we got the beautiful trend line that got taken out. We have equalize here that got taken out as well. But now we have two session highs that are so close to each other, which is London high and Asia high, which essentially means, yeah, that this is a very good target for us to go long. Yeah, and the consolidation price is just gonna go from like discount to premium, discount to premium, discount to premium. So like every time it comes down and you see a bullet market structure shift, and then literally just buy, put your stop here, maybe a TP somewhere here, and just keep rinsing it. Yeah, rinse and repeat. But we're not gonna do that though. Yeah, so I enter on the 1 minute inversion of this fair value gap. Sorry, on the 1 minute inversion of this fair value gap, and then essentially it was quite fast. We literally took out the current London high, and that's it. I was done. It was like 3.5 hour. Done for the day. Yeah, and you can see I had to head out if I'm being honest, which is why I was like, well, fine. You know what? It's beautiful. Just got this 3.5 hour banger. Yeah, now I'm done for the day. But little did I know. Usually when price consolidates this much, yeah, like there's high chances you're gonna see a big move here. Because before we like essentially have a big move, the price usually just consolidates. And there was another entry here in the 1 minute fair value gap as well, which could think to target this new London high. Yeah, which let's see how it plays out. It should go long. I mean, I'm 99% sure it goes long here. Because I stopped looking at the chart after that, man. Look for how long it consolidated. It's absolutely insane. Yeah, eventually we did get there. Yeah, and then this is when the madness happened. Yeah. So now we got a sweep of Asia high as well. Yeah, and there's this trend line here that I've been targeting for like the better part of a week. Yeah, and I would say most of this trend line got hit. Let me actually see what ends up happening. Yeah, just look at that, man. It ended up going like crazy high, man. Crazy. We did take out like these two highs of the trend line. Yeah, and we ended up going all the way to like we went even higher than this. And look at that, this session high taken out as well. And there were opportunities in New York as well. Yeah, like you could have easily gone long here. We had like a similar setup where got a nice 5 minute. We had a sweep of the slow 5-minute inversion. I'm pretty sure there was only like a 15-minute fair value gap. This retraced into, yeah, literally retraced into this 15-minute fair value gap. Was the 1 hour fair value gap as well? You could say this one, yeah. And then boom, yeah. I mean, this was an absolute belter of a mess, man. If I'm being honest, not looking good. Because I hit the 7 hour on Tuesday, and then the next day itself, so on Thursday, I didn't expect to get another big move, which was gonna be like 15 hour plus. But it is what it is. Yeah, the perfect trade doesn't exist. I mean, you can't complain. You literally made like 3.5 hour in like 5 minutes, so literally no reason to be sad. Yeah, and I'll basically see you inside my free public Telegram, my VIP Discord, and I'll have one more trade recap coming on, which I'll be recording shortly. But yeah, check out my public Telegram where I essentially post free trade forecasts, analysis, setups, trade management, entry, exit price, partial, stop loss. I mean, it's literally free money, man. So we'll be done with you. It's fine. I'm not going to call anyone any names, but it would not be the wisest decision if you did not join.